Okay, so this is going to be the worksheet that goes over the alkanes practice problems. Okay, so our first step whenever we're going through these is to identify the longest chain, the parent chain. So our longest chain of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be the same thing either way we go. So your parent chain is going to be this one right here. Okay, now we got to number it to where we get the least numbers possible. So we got a methyl group coming off of right here, and we got an ethyl group coming off right here. So if we number, this is going to get the lowest numbers possible. If we go from this way, 3 would be the first number. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going that way. So when we name this, it's going to be, we're going to name it alphabetical order. So it's going to be 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, hexane. Okay, next one. We're going to identify the longest chain of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our longest chain of carbons is going to go this way. Now we're going to number to where our groups get the lowest numbers possible. So we've got an ethyl coming off right here. We've got a methyl. We've got another methyl. Now we're going to number it going this way because 3 would be the lowest number that we would get out of it. If we go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is the lowest number we'd get. So this is going to be 4 ethyl, because we're going to go in alphabetical order, 3, 3, dimethyl, because we have 2 methyls, and our parent chain is 7 long, so it's heptane. Okay. Longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be going like that. Now we got a methyl group coming off of here. Got another methyl group coming off. And another methyl. And a CH2CH3, CH2CH2CH3 is a propyl. So methyl is going to come before propyl in alphabetical order. Just keep that in mind. And we're going to number going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It actually really wouldn't matter which way you go. If you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, they're still going to be the same thing. Okay, so either one would be fine. So we're going to name this 3, 4, 6 trimethyl, 5 propyl, and our parent chain is 8 long, so this is going to be octane. Okay, next question. We're going to identify the longest chain. Okay, so we got a methyl coming off right here and an ethyl coming off right here. So I'm going to label going 1, 2, 3, okay, and 1, 2, 3. So they're going to be the same thing. Now, the ethyl comes first before the methyl in alphabetical order. So if we're getting super technical with this, we're going to number going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is going to be 3 dash ethyl, 4 methyl, and our parent chain is 6 long, so it's going to be hexane. Okay, our longest chain of carbons is going to be 5 long. We got a methyl, and we got a chloro. Okay, now we're going to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to number going this way because we'd have a 2, which is lower. Okay. So when we name this, this is going to be 3-chloro, because chloro goes before methyl in alphabetical order. 2-methyl pentane. Okay. Now on to the back. So we're going to identify our longest chain of carbons. Should be 4 long. Okay, and we're going to number it. We got a methyl. You got a bromo. So bromo comes before methyl in alphabetical order, and they're going to be at the lowest at 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So bromo is going to get the precedent over the methyl. So this is going to be 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butane, because it's 4 carbons long. Okay, next example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 carbons long. Okay, we got a methyl. The 2 carbon, we got another methyl. We got a bromo. Okay, so I'm going to number going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The reason I numbered this way is if I go 1, 2, that gets the lowest numbers. If I go this way, 1, 2, 3, you would start at 3, not 2. So we're going to number going this way. So bromo comes first in alphabetical order. So this is going to be 5 bromo. And we got 2 methyls going on. So we got 2, 4. Dimethyl. And our parent chain is 7 long, so it's heptane. H. So we're going to do our longest chain of carbons. Okay, so it should be 6 long. We got a chloro, another chloro, and a methyl. Okay, so we're going to name number this going this way. 1, 2, 3. The first one over here is 3, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they have to get the lowest numbers possible. So it's going to be 2, 3 dichloro dash 4 methyl, and it's going to be hexane, 6 long. Sorry, I kind of drew into the next problem. Okay, so on this one, longest chain of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same thing. So we're just going to go straight across. Okay, so you got a bromo. You got a chloro. You got a methyl. Okay. Lowest numbers possible, 1, so it's coming off the 1 carbon. This one's coming off the 2 carbon, so we're going to number this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is going to be 1 bromo, 3 chloro, 4 methyl, pentane, because the prefix for 5 is pent. Okay. Next one. Longest chain of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So either way we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So our longest chain of carbons, we can go straight across if we want to. Okay. So we got a methyl, we got a propyl. Okay, so we'll go to number 1, 2, 3. If we number this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So methyl comes before propyl in alphabetical order. So this is going to be 3 methyl, 5 propyl, octane. Okay, last one on this page. So we're going to identify the longest chain of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to make a little zigzag. So I'm not breaking the railroad tracks. Okay, so when I go to number 1, 2, 3, if I number this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got a propyl group coming off the 3 carbon. You got a methyl group coming off the 5 carbon. So this is going to be 5 methyl. Methyl comes before propyl in alphabetical order. And you got 3 propyl, octane, because 8 carbons long. Now we're going to draw some condensed structures. Oh, there's another page. My bad. Didn't realize it was this long. Yeah. Okay, so we're going through this. Count the longest chain of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got to make sure we go like that. Okay, we're going to number it till we get the lowest numbers possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We got methyl. Got another methyl. And we have another methyl. So this is going to be 2, 2, 5 trimethyl heptane. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our longest chain of carbons looks like that. We're going to number going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same, going both ways, so it doesn't matter. We got an ethyl group coming off. So this is going to be 4 ethyl heptane. Okay, next one. Longest chain of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we got a bromo. You got a methyl. You got a chloro. You got another methyl. Okay, so in alphabetical order, and we got to number this 1, 2. Bromo is going to come first in alphabetical order, so it's going to get the precedent. So this is going to be 2 bromo. Chloro comes next, 6 chloro. You got methyl coming off the 4 and the 6. 4, 6 dimethyl. It's going to be heptane because it's 7 carbons long. The next one, longest chain of carbons is 3 long. Okay, you got a bromo and a bromo. So no matter which way we number it, it's going to be the same. So this is going to be 2, 2 dibromo propane. Okay. Longest chain of carbons is 4 long. Doesn't matter how we're going to number it because it's going to be the same going both ways. These are chloros, all chloros. I'm not going to write chloro out 4 times, sorry. So this is 2, 2, 3, 3. Now, there's 4 of them. So prefix for 4 is tetra. So it's tetrachlorobutane. Okay? So that's how we name them. Now let's write the condensed structures. So remember, when we write our condensed structures, we're going to pay attention to the back, and then we're going to work our way forward. And then when we fill in our hydrogen, it's 4 minus the number of bonds. Okay, so pentane is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got a methyl group coming off the 2 carbon. And if you want to go right to left, that's fine with me. So it's coming off the 2 carbon, and we're going to fill in our hydrogens. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 and 3. Hexane is 6 carbons long. Okay, and I have a methyl group coming off the 3 carbon. I have 2 of them. Okay, now we go to fill in our hydrogens. So this is going to be CH3, CH2, none. Looks like that. Octane is 8 long. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got an ethyl coming off the 4 carbon. You got a methyl coming off the 2 carbon. So we're going to go fill in our hydrogens. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3. D. Hexane is 6. Okay, you got a bromo coming off the 2nd carbon, and you got a methyl coming off the 5th carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're going to go fill in our hydrogens. So 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, and 3. Octane is 8 long. Okay. And you got an ethyl group coming off the 4th carbon. Like that. Go fill in your hydrogens. 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Trimethylbutane. Butane is 4 carbons long. You got a methyl group coming off the 2, the 2, and the 3 carbon. Go and fill in. So 3, none, 1, and 3. Okay, last example. So we're doing octane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We got a methyl group coming off of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 6 methyls coming off. Now we're going to go fill in. Okay, so we got CH3, H, 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 and 3. So that's what our final structure looks like. Hopefully this helped you And it's just going to take a lot of practice problems to make sure you understand the concept. So if you need anything, you don't understand something, feel free to reach out and just follow the steps just like I did in the example problems and the practice, and you should be good to go. Thanks and have a good one.